What's the meaning of conceptual art? Conceptual art. Conceptual art.
Conceptual art. Conceptual art. Conceptual art is a form of contemporary art that places emphasis on the concept or idea behind the artwork rather than the aesthetic or visual qualities of the piece. Conceptual artists often use language, performance, and other non-traditional media to convey their ideas. The final product of conceptual art can take many forms and may include physical objects, photographs, videos, or written instructions. The goal of conceptual art is to challenge traditional notions of what constitutes art and to create works that provoke thought and encourage reflection on the role of art in society.